Well, folks, I haven't done an unboxing video in a really long time. I managed to pick up one of these Zeiss VR One Plus. This is the Plus version, not the original VR One. The original VR One had the things where you had to purchase the cell phone cradles specifically for your phone separately. I can't remember which one it came with, but the one that it came with was compatible with like maybe two phones. But if you had a different type of phone that it wouldn't fit in, you would have to go onto their website and order one specific to your phone. This is not supposed to be like that. The Plus One is supposed to have a new tray that allows for any phone to be installed into it. But the package includes the headset, and it's got the straps on it and all that good junk. You got your QR code. I've tested these things out at Best Buy a long time ago, back when they were priced at $150, and I got this thing for 12 bucks. It supports all the standard phones, supposedly, so let's go ahead and open her up and see what it's gonna look like here. Okay, there we go. Whoops, sorry about that. How do you... Okay, that's like that. We got the straps. Okay, some assembly is required. Oh, this kind of reminds me of the Gear VR strap. It's almost exactly the same. Okay. Alright. What's on the other side here? Ooh, come on, open up. You got your, just the instructions. Tells you how to, the instructions on the new tray. Fully adjustable, supposedly. Okay, and some of them, you can't put them in like that or like that. And then the installation of that. Wow, this is pretty basic. So they, I didn't know that they had their own software. Okay. I'll have to take a look at that. Oh yeah, this, I think this, some people were saying that this one didn't, theirs didn't come with it, but this is supposed to have a box for augmented reality. And here's the actual headset. Box. Supposedly this thing has some software that goes with it that allows for augmented reality. I'll have to check that out. Let's see here, what else? How do we get this thing open? And okay, so that's just regular packaging, and this is the headset itself. Now these lenses are supposed to be spectacular from what I understand. And there's your lenses. I know the lighting isn't that great. Sorry about that. But this ain't bad. This is a pretty nice headset. You get this thing open. Oh, okay. You push on the one side. Okay. Got padding. And then the adjustability for the phones. It looks like a pitchfork. Okay. And I'm not sure what this black is for. Okay, that's obviously for the camera and the augmented reality. I'll have to see if my phone fits it after I'm done recording. And you just slide it back in. Okay, what I do remember is that there is no adjustments on these. There's no adjustments for the camera, or not the camera, but the phone, from the lenses forward or backwards, and you can't adjust these like that either, like on some of the other headsets. And they were charging $150 for this thing. And honestly, I think it was probably just the lenses, but now these $12. Some places might charge a little bit more, but it's not too bad looking. Just had to I'll let you guys know if this thing works out okay. It's some pretty soft cushioning, but who knows how long the comfortability will be once you get into the thing. A little dirt there. Alright, I know that this was probably not the best video, very boring, but, just an unboxing video. And yes, I'm aware the lighting does suck, and you probably can't hear me too well. I'll boost the audio as much as I can. Well, I have to go. Thanks for watching.